Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to insert the less than or equal to symbol in MS Word. We will look at 3 easy methods. Method 1, using equation. First, go to the Insert tab. Click on Equation. Now type /LE and press the spacebar. It will automatically convert into the Choose symbol. Method 2, using Symbol menu. Go to the Insert tab again. Click on Symbol, then select More Symbols. In the dialog box, set the font to normal text. Set the subset to mathematical operators. Now find the = symbol, click on it, and then click Insert. The symbol will be added to your document. Method 3, using Unicode shortcut, type 2264 on your keyboard, then press Alt-X. It will instantly convert the number into the symbol. And that's how you can insert the less than or equal to symbol in MS Word. To learn more useful Word tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.